Yeah, when we took over ownership, it was kind of smooth sailing. I started working here in 2012, and we purchased it. We closed on the sale in 2015.
Okay.
So it was really quick from being part-time to full-time to managing everything to doing the ordering to doing the inventory. So it was kind of like a throw me the deep end, kind of figure it out situation, but it worked out really well. And from the moment that we took the keys as ownership, it was just up from there. So it's never felt like we couldn't do it.
Well, that's awesome. So how did like your customers respond to that? They're like, oh, new owners?